It's a breaking news. Fred Lumbuye to be deported back to Uganda tomorrow, that is Saturday. Hello, welcome, and thanks for taking your time joining us live on Projan Media TV. That brings the latest news and the latest updates in the country and across the world. Kindly do one thing, subscribe and turn on the notification button for all these updates. News coming in is that National Unit Platform blogger Fred Lumbuye is going to be deported back to Uganda. That is tomorrow, 6th of August 2021. This was confirmed by National Unit Platform's Kawempe South Member of Parliament and journalist Bashir Mbazira Kazibwe through his social media account. Fred Lumbuye is to be deported back to Uganda tomorrow, and this came after Lumbuye was arrested from Turkey on Tuesday for unidentified reasons. And it should be noted that Fred Lumbuye is one of the most wanted people in Uganda after announcing Uganda's President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni dead in month of July, that was 2021. So that thing annoyed His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni so much. He said that when he went to Luwero, visiting people in Luwero, they had a scary way of looking at him and in a very strange way. Reason being that they had announced him dead on social media. So these useless people who end up announcing people dead should be arrested, and the security forces should look at them, get them, torture them, and punish them where necessary, or else they should go to hell. So therefore, Lumbuye is going to be deported tomorrow back to Uganda from Turkey. And though people didn't agree with that, when you talk to the Secretary of National Unit Platform, that is Louis Lubongoya, said deporting Lumbuye to Uganda wouldn't be the best solution. Reason being that they know very well how this regime is under the torture of prisoners, under the torture of Ugandans and killing of them. That means Lumbuye is going to be in a wrong hand, or maybe he might end up losing his life. So therefore, he doesn't suggest them to deport Lumbuye back to Uganda under this regime to be given to the government of Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. And not only that, also the National Unit Platform lawyers had said that not even Turkey or Uganda has the right to extradite someone. So therefore, extradition of Lumbuye shouldn't be under any government. They don't have any right over doing that. So, well, we will wait and see tomorrow whether Lumbuye will be deported to Uganda or not, or will he be charged by offenses or anything like that. But we'll keep on updating with more of this. Kindly do one thing, subscribe and turn on the notification button. All these updates will come to you in time. Once again, thanks for watching Projan Media TV.